All right, the next lesson is from Student to CEO. It is the ultimate salon business project, and I know that you and your students will love it. So I used to have a salon business project on the page for free, which I'll update a little bit later and put it back on there. But this one is more detailed. It's more for the cosmetology 1 or 2 classroom. But even if you want to do it in intro, you still can. I actually will be doing this project in intro, but I love this project. So this is a project that I kind of talked about it in another video, but it kind of goes hand in hand with you as you are teaching the salon business chapters. So it's not to be necessarily to be given to the students on their own, but it's something that you can incorporate in class and kind of use it as your engagement piece while you're going through the chapters or whatever. And so you can kind of have them break it down day by day and just give them certain tasks to do every day. And so when you go into the lesson, again, it's going to give you a short little blob of what just kind of what comes with how it starts off, how the lesson starts off. And you would click join now and just create a little account and make your payment. But let me tell you what all is included with this lesson. Okay, so for where is it? Okay, Student to CEO. Now this one comes with the most files. Let me show y'all. These are all of the files that come with the lesson. So it comes with, first of all, it comes with your presentation slides, and it's kind of lengthy, you can see, and it's lengthy because it includes everything that you need. It's pretty much an example of a completed project, but it also has the details for like student directions so that you can break it up. So it pretty much has the student directions on the first slide, and then in what they're doing, kind of your piece to be able to tell them what to do after you've taught a certain section. And then it has the example of what they would actually do within the lesson. So for example, let me just give you a little short snippet. They get a startup loan. Their budget is $5,000. And so this is the slide. It just breaks it down and tells them what to do. And then on the next slide, you see what they actually have to do. And this is just your completed example to be able to show them. And so it includes a bunch of things, but this is just the presentation piece for you, as well as the completed example. You also get a student project checklist. So this helps the students to be able to go along and check off what they've done to make sure that they are completely, staying on track and completing the project as it needs to be. And so this is what that looks like, just a little checklist. It is kind of lengthy because the project is detailed, but they get the checklist. It also includes the lesson plan, of course. The lesson plan is just automatic. The lesson plan is included. It also includes mock interview questions for you to give the students, for them to practice, because they are going to be doing interviews. It also includes the grading rubric. It includes the budget spreadsheet, which the spreadsheet calculates for you, so the students don't have to worry about that. They put their items in. This is for their budget, so you put their items in, it calculates, it does everything that they need to do so they can see their total expenses at the end. So it gives you all of these pieces. Let me see if I miss anything. Checklist, budget spreadsheet, the lesson plan, the mock interview questions, and the grading rubric. So those are all of the files that are included with that lesson. And I just know that y'all are going to love this lesson. So I highly encourage you to get this lesson, and get it today because it's on sale. It's $20 today. Today is the final day that it will be on sale.